Ready to make your home feel smarter, simpler, and way more convenient? These Amazon smart home upgrades help automate everyday tasks, boost comfort, and give you more control over your space. From lighting and security to clever devices that handle the little things for you, these finds make daily life easier. Check the links in the description to explore them all. Upgrade your attic access with this electric retractable ceiling ladder. With just the push of a button, it smoothly folds down or retracts, saving floor space while keeping your loft area easily accessible. Built from sturdy carbon steel with wide non-slip treads and an extendable handrail, it ensures safe climbs every time. Perfect for tight spaces, garages, basements, or rooftops, this ladder combines convenience, durability, and smart space-saving design. Transform your space into a cozy, relaxing haven with this flame-style essential oil diffuser. It combines aromatherapy with a mesmerizing 7-color LED flame effect, creating the perfect ambiance for bedrooms, offices, or meditation sessions. Use the remote to customize colors and mood settings, while the auto-off feature keeps safety in check. Stylish, soothing, and functional, it's perfect for anyone looking to unwind and refresh their home environment. Transform any space into a mini home theater with this portable projector. Supporting 4K and 1080p content, it delivers crisp, vibrant visuals on screens from 35 inches up to 130 inches. Its 180-degree rotatable design and auto keystone correction make setup effortless, while built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and surround sound ensure smooth streaming and immersive audio. Perfect for movies, gaming, online classes, or presentations, it's compact yet incredibly versatile. Upgrade your room lighting without messy wires. These battery-operated wall sconces are sleek, easy to install, and fully rechargeable. Each set comes with dimmable bulbs offering 9 colors and multiple brightness levels, letting you set the perfect vibe for any occasion. With remote control, timer functions, and memory settings, you can effortlessly adjust your lights from the couch or bed. Stylish, versatile, and modern, they fit bedrooms, hallways, living rooms, and more. Your toothbrush might be dirtier than you think, but this smart holder changes that. Using UVA plus UVC dual band technology, it cleans deep into bristles, removing hidden germs. Wave your hand, and the infrared sensor opens it automatically, while the LED screen shows progress and battery life. It fits most toothbrushes, keeps them dry with air ventilation, and runs a full 3-hour cleaning cycle. Sleek, wall-mounted, and hygienic, your bathroom just got smarter. Tired of juggling drinks, snacks, and remotes on your couch? This silicone armrest tray keeps everything within reach. It comes with a matching coffee cup and a removable adapter for larger mugs. Store snacks, remotes, or drinks in one convenient spot and enjoy movie nights or game days without getting up. Lightweight, portable, and easy to use, it turns any recliner or sofa into the ultimate comfort zone. Looking for the perfect cuddle without arm cramps? This memory foam pillow has a special arch design with an armhole so couples can embrace comfortably. Its slow rebound foam supports your neck, back, and arm, reducing pressure while you sleep. Ergonomic curves follow your spine for restful nights and refreshed mornings. The removable pillowcase makes cleaning a breeze. Soft, supportive, and cozy, finally, comfort that works for two. Why just see yourself in the mirror when you can watch TV too? This smart waterproof mirror doubles as a full HD 1080p TV while keeping your bathroom safe with a low-voltage IP66 waterproof design. Stream movies, shows, or apps with built-in Google system and control it easily with voice or remote. Dual front speakers deliver clear sound, and wall mounting makes installation simple. Relax, get ready, or enjoy a spa-like experience, all in one mirror. Worried about little hands getting into cabinets or drawers? This smart lock keeps your space secure without any drilling or damage. You can unlock it 5 different ways: app, Apple Watch, RFID, NFC, or even Alexa. Hidden installation makes it almost invisible, while sturdy materials handle serious force. Long-lasting batteries last a full year, and setup is simple with stick-on or screw options. Safety, convenience, and peace of mind all in one. Struggling to unplug from your phone? This portable phone lock box helps you focus and reclaim your time. Set a timer, place your phone inside, and it stays locked. Kids, students, or even adults can resist distractions. Emergency calls are still allowed through small openings, so nothing important is missed. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect for desks, study areas, or travel. Reduce screen time, boost focus, and take control of your digital life. Closet chaos? These beechwood pants hangers are here to save space and keep your wardrobe neat. Each hanger holds multiple pants, scarves, or leggings without slipping thanks to the non-slip coating. The 360-degree swivel hook makes loading and unloading a breeze. Stack a few in your closet and instantly reclaim room for more clothes. Durable, stylish, and versatile, your closet finally looks as organized as you want. Too many devices, not enough outlets? This 7-in-1 wireless charging station fixes that. You can charge phones, AirPods, Apple Watch, and more, all at the same time. Built-in Bluetooth sync keeps the clock accurate, and ambient lighting sets the perfect mood on your nightstand or desk. Wired ports handle anything else you need powered up. Compact, tangle-free, and safe. It keeps everything organized while charging fast. Tired of fumbling in dark cabinets or closets? These wireless motion sensor lights turn on the moment you approach and switch off automatically, saving energy. You can adjust brightness and color with a handy remote, creating the perfect glow for any space. Rechargeable via USB-C. They last weeks on a single charge. No wires or tricky setup. Stick or snap them anywhere under cabinets, shelves, or counters. Bright, versatile, and super easy to move or reposition. Tired of sunlight sneaking into your room at the wrong time? These motorized blackout blinds put you in full control. You can lower or raise them with a remote, your phone, or even your voice if you add smart control. The cordless, rechargeable design means no messy wires and easy setup anywhere. Schedule them to open with your morning routine or close for complete privacy at night. Fully customizable, they fit your windows perfectly and block light from every angle. Bananas rolling off the counter? This clever under-cabinet hook keeps them safe and fresh. You just peel and stick it, or use screws for extra security. No messy tools needed. The foldable design tucks neatly out of sight when not in use, saving space and keeping your kitchen tidy. Air flows around the bananas, slowing ripening and preventing bruises. Plus, it's strong enough for other fruits, mugs, or even keys. Upgrade your kitchen with a sink that does it all. This drop-in workstation combines a deep, single bowl with a double-level design for washing, prepping, and drying at the same time. The included waterfall faucet has a pull-down sprayer with 2 modes, perfect for filling pots or rinsing vegetables. Durable, scratch-resistant stainless steel and a honeycomb finish keep it looking new while making cleanup easy. Accessories like a cutting board, colander, and drying rack make this sink ready for anything from meal prep to cleanup. Want the look of a mirror without the risk of broken glass? This acrylic mirror sheet gives a clear, smooth reflection while staying shatterproof and safe. It sticks to walls easily with included foam tape. No drilling or damage required. You can mix and match shapes to create a custom design for bedrooms, bathrooms, or living rooms. Its lightweight, durable material keeps it from warping, while polished edges make it safe for any space. Perfect for brightening up your home or adding a stylish, modern touch. Drying clothes doesn't have to take up half your room. This retractable clothesline stretches out to hang towels, shirts, or swimsuits, then neatly disappears when you're done. The double lines can hold up to 44 pounds each, so even heavier items stay secure. Made with durable materials, it's heat-resistant and built to last. A smooth retracting mechanism keeps it safe and easy to use while saving space in your home. Tired of reaching for switches across the room? This smart button pusher lets you control rocker switches and one-way buttons right from your phone. Set schedules for lights, fans, or appliances, and it works automatically even if your phone isn't nearby. You can add a hub for remote control or voice commands through Alexa, Google, or Siri. It sticks on easily with no tools or wiring, making any switch instantly smarter and more convenient. Keep your bedroom or office secure with just a touch. This smart doorknob unlocks instantly using your fingerprint and can store up to 50 users. You can also control it from an app, add or remove users, share e-keys, and even check who accessed the door. For extra convenience, it works with voice assistants and has backup keys for emergencies. The built-in rechargeable battery lasts months and warns you when power is low, keeping your space secure without hassle. Why buy a fan for summer and a heater for winter when one device can do both? This sleek tower unit switches from powerful cooling to fast room heating with a simple tap. Bladeless airflow pulls in surrounding air and spreads a smooth, even breeze across the room. When it's cold, the heating modes quickly warm your space and maintain the temperature you set. A remote lets you adjust speed, direction, and oscillation without leaving the couch. Outlets hiding behind your couch can be a real pain to reach. This extendable power strip stick brings the power out where you actually need it. The adjustable arm stretches forward and rotates, so you can plug things in without moving heavy furniture. It turns one wall outlet into several AC plugs plus USB ports for your everyday devices. Just stick it in place, and you've got a clean, easy charging station right beside your sofa, desk, or bed. Ironing doesn't have to steal your time anymore. This automatic ironing machine dries and smooths your clothes using warm air, all while you do something else. Just place a damp shirt or pair of pants on the inflatable form and start the cycle. The system fills with air, gently stretching the fabric while heat removes wrinkles. In minutes, your clothes come out dry, neat, and ready to wear without lifting an iron. Walking up the stairs just got a glow up. This motion-activated stair lighting kit turns on step by step as you climb, creating a smooth path of light beneath your feet. As you walk away, the lights fade out in the same flowing sequence. You can adjust the brightness, speed, and timing to match your space. Flexible LED strips stick neatly under each step, giving your staircase a modern look while helping you see every step safely at night. Your coffee table just got a serious upgrade. This smart table hides 2 refrigerated drawers inside, keeping drinks, snacks, and fruit perfectly chilled right beside your couch. A touch control panel lets you adjust temperature, lighting, music, and more without using an app. Built-in Bluetooth speakers fill the room with sound, while color-changing lights move with the beat. You can even charge your phone with wireless charging, USB ports, and power outlets built right into the table. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.